In this video, we will discuss the basic steps for drafting the summons. In civil cases, the summons is usually a part of the initial filings required when a party appears for the first time in a case. On or after filing a complaint, the plaintiff must present a summons for each defendant to the clerk for issuance. This is typically filed alongside the complaint, the civil cover sheet, and the initial appearance fee disclosure. It can also be filed after filing the complaint. Upon receipt of the filed stamped complaint, you must calendar the last day to serve the summons and complaint. Check your state rules, and this is very important. Okay, let's get started. Step number 1 is going to be the caption. As previously stated, every pleading must contain a caption on the first page. You will copy the caption from the complaint exactly as it appears on the complaint. Again, you will not have a case number or department number until the complaint is filed. The title of this document will be Summons. The paragraph right below the title tells the defendant they are being sued. Right below that paragraph, you will add the defendant's name and address. Prepare a summons for each defendant and include their address. The following paragraphs are commonly used for this document and state the following: the time within which the defendant must appear, under state rules or any other applicable rule or statute. It notifies the defendant that a failure to appear and defend will result in a default judgment against the defendant for the relief demanded in the complaint. The summons must be issued by the clerk and bear the court seal. At the very bottom, enter the name of the attorney requesting the summons. Once the summons is issued by the clerk, you must send it out to be served along with the complaint. They must be served together. We usually use a process server. Serve a copy of the complaint and the summons to each defendant. That completes this video for the summons. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions.